Kate, and I'm with Sanivation, a Kenyan-based social enterprise that's reimagining the way we think about sanitation. Sanivation goes beyond the toilet to ensure that waste is safely managed. As someone who spent 7 years in sanitation, I'm still impressed at just how few people actually know where their waste goes once they flush the toilet. Do you? In Kenya, 90% of waste just gets dumped into the environment without being treated. Local governments don't have the money nor the capacity to be able to fix this problem, let alone be able to scale to meet the rapid urbanization. As more people move to cities, waste continues to pile up, spilling into the environment and polluting the water. As a result, people get sick. In Kenya, diarrheal diseases is the second leading cause in death in children under the age of 5. But it doesn't have to be this way. Sanivation sees this as an opportunity to partner with local governments to solve the waste management crisis. We deploy a waste-to-energy model that not only cleans up cities, but creates jobs and saves money. Specifically, our treatment plant takes in fecal sludge from pit latrines and septic tanks. We then treat the waste, combine it with agricultural biomass like sawdust, and produce a firewood substitute that we then sell to industries. This revenue then covers our operational costs, allowing our plants to run in perpetuity. But before we invest millions in a citywide treatment plant, there's a lot of work that needs to be done to ensure that the plant meets the needs of the city. For the Urban Water Challenge, we will use these funds for feasibility study in Malindi, which is a coastal town of about 300,000 people, where there's only 1% of waste being currently managed. This feasibility work will then help us structure and secure project financing for building the actual citywide treatment plant. Our citywide treatment plants clean up cities, create jobs, and save governments money. In Malindi, the proposed plant would treat over 35,000 tons of waste per year, employ 35 people, and save up to 80% compared to traditional wastewater treatment solutions. We're confident that we can take our work to scale. Why? We've been doing this in Kenya for the last 7 years. Our team brings together international and national expertise to develop and operate long-lasting sanitation solutions. To date, we've deployed 3 other small treatment plants. And from this experience, we're confident that we have the knowledge and local connections to bring our work to scale. To take this feasibility project to reality, we're seeking an additional $4 million in capital. Beyond this investment, there needs to be a paradigm shift in the wash sector to think beyond the toilet. I want to challenge each of you to think about where your waste goes. Who's responsible for managing it, and who finances that? With more people thinking about where their waste goes, waste management can finally get the attention and resources it needs. Thank you for your time and allowing yourself to think beyond the toilet.